Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the sign-in frame on documents on DocuSign. So you want to go ahead and go to admin at the top. And I know you may be wondering what is the sign-in frame, but when I show you how to remove this, you will see exactly what I mean. So on the left side, scroll down and you will find the sign in and send in section here, and you want to click on sign in settings. Scroll all the way down, guys, and you will see a section called signature. Here is the sign-in frame. It's basically this box or this right side or this left-sided box or half box, whatever you want to call it. It just shows you the sign-in frame of what is there. If you want to have the sign-in frame shown, you can keep it here, or if you don't want it and want to use the do not add the frame, then it's going to only add only the signature section. It will allow them to sign it, but will only show the signature but not have the frame. So it's really up to you. But if you ever want to remove it, this is how you actually remove the sign-in frame. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.